Let's continue with some reviews after Jeopardy! It is 7:30. So let's continue with my last 5 reviews. So let's get into it. First up, we have One Winter Weekend. One Winter Weekend. Now, I'm going to have to look at the actual plots of these. I do remember watching them just a couple days ago. Here we go. A recently dumped travel writer goes on a ski getaway with her best friend, and they find themselves double booked with 2 eligible men. When they are snowed in, love ensues as it always does. That is literally the synopsis put on IMDb. This one stars Taylor Cole and Jake Turner. Taylor Cole is also from she's also in, yes, there we go. She is Ruby Herring. She was in Falling for You. She was in a bunch of Hallmark stuff that I have, well, a few Hallmark things that I have seen, but I also didn't know this. She is Erica in 12 Rounds with John Cena. So she is a writer. She goes there to do a story about one thing. She wants to do the bigger stories. Well, she does get the chance to when she runs into a eligible guy who has a bit of a he's a entrepreneur, and yeah, this movie was fine. It's a nice little romance movie that has some good chemistry, a few cute moments here and there, and from a Hallmark movie set in the winter, that's exactly what I want. Why did I watch this? Well, I always like to watch one or two things each day. Whether it's one movie and one stand-up special or something like that, I always like to watch at least 2 things a day. So, I'm good on that so far. One Winter Weekend is probably one of the best ones that I have left to review. Why? Because this one had a nice setting to it, a very nice cast, did a decent job for a Hallmark movie. Now, for a Hallmark movie, it is not like me sitting here and telling you, oh, look, they're as good as Tom Hanks is. No, that's not what I'm saying whatsoever. For a Hallmark movie that is straight to television, they are fine for what they are. Taylor Cole knows what to do. She nails these roles every single time she is in a Hallmark movie, or this style of movie. I do gotta say, this is probably one of her weaker performances, and I didn't really care for where the ending went, because yeah, you know where it's going, and yeah, it was cheesy like every Hallmark movie is, but this one just didn't fit whatsoever. I don't think I knew where it was going, and I'm like, okay, you had me within the first half hour. And now you're doing the last 10 minutes. I know where you're going with it, blah, 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 blah. And that's why I'm giving One Winter Weekend a B-. My next review will be for One Winter Proposal.